we are going to cut a pattern, so stay tuned to see how we do that.
Yes, fam. So we're on the farm. We cut a one planting, you know. And more honestly, we go through the process, you know, how we are dealing with it. So we deal with our Leviticus lifestyle. Right now, the planting tree is very tall. So if we chop it down low, that means a short man. So you can't reach out far upon it. So I'm going to use the bamboo here to assist me. So watch your eye. You see that? Oh, massive one. Food for days, my peeps. Food for days. Massive one. Look. Very pretty. Let me see how much seed we have up here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 seed. Here family, see there? A very pretty one, over 28 seed. That's more than enough. So we'll go up now and we're going to share with the family and our neighbors. So, how we do it in the country. When the tree is too tall, we get assistance. Cut a bamboo to help with it. So now we'll cut it off at the stalk and you guys can see. Yes family, so we reach up here now. We hand up the plant and guys now I'm gonna look at this thing. It's a massive thing. Massive. When I say massive, look there. They're longer than the knife. Look at that peep. Very lovely one. So we are handing it up here now. Well, my neighbors them is at work right now. So we'll put down for them till later. But people look at this. Wow, it's crazy.